Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can set a ringtone to contact or how you can set multiple ringtones to every new call. So if you want to set a different ringtones for a different contact, this is how you can do it. First, you can just go to your list of contacts on your phone. So in here I've already opened my contacts, and let's say I want to set a ringtone for this number. Here you can just click on a number and here tap on the pencil icon at the top. Now scroll down until you find the expand options, and in here if you scroll down there will be this ringtone option, so just tap on that and choose the ringtones that you want. For example, I'm going to go with the Alexin, and if you want to set a different ringtone for other contacts, you can just follow the same step, because this the one that I choose is only applied to the contact that I selected. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.